Here are the 6 surprising things I learned from my interview with Marshall Goldsmith about writing a best-selling book. First, focus on your reader's pain, not your panacea, not your solution, and especially in the title. Think, what got you here won't get you there. And mojo, how to get it, how to keep it, and how to get it back when you've lost it. Those are great titles. Secondly, don't flatter or pander to your readers inside the book either. Challenge them.
Everyone I coach is a mega successful person. So I talk about not the blessings of success sometimes, but the curses of success. Then I talk about how to get better.
Thirdly, you've got to write a new book every year or two just to stay in the public eye. This will keep the invitations coming in for coaching opportunities, keynote speeches, and workshops. But you've got to make your new books very different from each other.
We really need to differentiate the books. When you write a New York Times bestseller, they are very sensitive. You write 2 New York Times bestsellers, people are very sensitive. They don't want to see a replay of the last book.
If your writing isn't brilliant, then get help. You can hire an editor, for example, or you can work with someone even more closely. Here's why What Got You Here was so well written.
This book is by far better written than my other books. Why? I didn't write it. I talk, he writes, I talk, he writes, I edit. So I think the key to writing a New York Times bestselling book is find someone who can write and have them write the book for you.
New authors often worry about people stealing their work, but don't obsess about the copyright in your work. Give it away.
So I give everything away. People can copy, download, duplicate, translate, use in church, charity, nonprofit, put their name on it. I don't care. Do anything you want to with any of my materials. My attitude is, if it helps somebody, that's great. I just think it's a nice thing to do, and also it makes my life easier. I've never had any problem collecting money from any of these things. I have no distribution problems. You know, nobody complains. Nobody says it's overpriced. There's a lot of advantages here.
To learn more than just these 6 surprising lessons, watch the full interview with Marshall at authorschannel.com.